The forest holds its breath just before dawn, and then, briefly, everything answers. A sound arrives, and the place seems to reply to itself. A distant whipbird call, the rattle of dry leaves, even the faint beep of a far-off human device get folded into one unfolding song. In that moment, we see nature's quiet wisdom.
This is the superb lyrebird, Menura novahollandiae, a bird that lives low in the wet, temperate forests of southeastern Australia. Picture thick leaf litter, ferns hanging like curtains, trunks rising into mist. The lyrebird's voice fits into that hush like a mirror reflecting the whole place back at once.
They nest on the ground, simple scrapes beneath low logs, curtains of leaves. A female chooses the site, lines it with soft material, and tends a very small clutch with steady care. One egg at a time, slow, patient work.
Listen, what does a chick first know? Smell, the scratch of feet, the warmth of a parent nearby. The world at ground level is tactile and particular.
Early life is fragile. Introduced red foxes and feral cats are real threats. Native predators, owls, large snakes, also take their toll. Fires and floods can sweep through in a season, changing the litter world overnight. Yet lyrebirds have quiet strategies, moving silently, choosing sheltered microhabitats, and learning the rhythms of their forest.
There is resilience, too. Lyrebirds are gardeners of the understory. As they scratch and forage, they turn over soil, unearth insects, and help seeds find light. These small, steady actions add up, season after season, year after year.
Curious, have you ever wondered how a bird can sound like an entire place? The male lyrebird listens. He memorizes the calls around him, the notes of neighbors, the echo of rain on trunks, the peculiar squeal of a passing machine, and he weaves them into a display. It's not random mimicry. It's an acoustic map.
Imagine a clearing in the understory. The male clears a little stage, just a patch of bare earth. He fans that remarkable tail like a sculpted veil and sings a sequence built from memory. Local calls, repeated phrases, and then, sometimes, an unexpected sound folded in. The effect is intimate and precise.
Researchers who study lyrebird songs report repeating structures, evidence of memory, pattern, and occasional innovation. A male may test phrases across seasons, learning which lines hold a mate's attention. It's practice and patience. It's also a running ledger of the forest's voice.
But listen for the gaps. A pristine chorus sounds full and layered. A fragmented chorus has missing lines or intrusive mechanical noises where once only birds sang. Those absences tell us about the health of a place, often before we see obvious damage.
Lyrebirds spend much of the year alone, moving with deliberate tempo through leaf litter and fallen logs. Their plumage is subtle, earth tones that blend into the understory, until the male's tail becomes the frame for his performance. He uses space, silence, and sound together.
There are cultural threads to this story as well. Aboriginal knowledge across southeastern Australia recognizes the lyrebird's role in country, stories, place names, and careful listening practices that have guided people for generations. When science and traditional knowledge meet gently, our understanding deepens.
So what can listeners do? A few practical steps help. Support habitat protection groups that work to preserve fragmented forest patches and understory corridors. Learn about fire management approaches that favor understory recovery. Reduce the spread of introduced predators where you can. Local programs often welcome volunteers.
And if you record bird sounds, share them. Upload clear audio to community archives like Xenocanto, or attach recordings to eBird checklists with audio. These contributions help researchers map acoustic change over time. It is quiet work, but it matters.
Pause with me for a moment. Close your eyes if you like. Picture the leaf litter. A foot slides aside a fern. A small beetle scuttles. A male rehearses a line he has carried all season. What does that silence make you notice?
There is a particular patience the Lyrebird models. To know a song fully, we must listen again and again across seasons. To know a place, we return, soft-footed, attentive, present. That practice changes how we move in the world.
The Lyrebird is storyteller and listener. In its mimicry, we find a mirror of memory, of place, time, and the small repairs that keep a forest singing. Watch how the world unfolds, and you'll see a single life braided into many others.
From a nest of leaves, through seasons of patient learning, to that echo-filled display, the superb Lyrebird shows us how sound becomes meaning. Remember them, respect them, learn from them.
If this story brought you a moment of calm or a fresh curiosity, please stay connected with Avian Tranquility. Like, subscribe, and share this episode so more quiet voices can be heard. Tell us in the comments which forest sound surprised you most. And if you record anything, consider adding it to Xenocanto or eBird. Your listening helps science.
Thank you for spending this hour with the superb Lyrebird. Carry one small intention as you go, to listen more closely to the places you move through. In that stillness, patterns appear, and in that moment, we see nature's quiet wisdom. Until next time, may the soft wing beats of the forest stay with you.